Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use iPhone mirror feature. So let's get straight into the video. So what you can do is actually mirror your iPhone to your TV or your Mac. So in order to go ahead and do it, all you need to do is simply go ahead and pull down from your control panel, tap and hold it and click on add a control. This is where you can actually go ahead and find the mirror setting. So simply go ahead and look for it. And here's screen mirroring. I'm simply going to go ahead and add it. Now, when I tap on it, it's going to show me screen mirroring. I'm going to go ahead and tap my MacBook. And when I do so, my MacBook, which is right beside me, is going to simply go ahead and turn into my phone. If I'm going to go ahead and pull in my MacBook real quick, there you go. There's my phone. And I can actually go ahead and use it just like that, and it will simply go ahead and show you what I'm doing on my phone in here. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.